I have a spa pedicure chair that will not drain. There is a discharge drain pump installed. When I push the button, it makes a very soft clicking sound but will not turn on and drain the tub. Ensure the button is attached to a hose that may send air to something. Could this be an easy fix? Thank you for responding.
Hello, my name is. I look forward to helping you. Are you in front of it now? Are you available to diagnose this now?
I am not able to diagnose this right now. However, later I am. Between 6 and 10 I could be available. Does that work for you? If you wanted to leave a few simple things I could try before we talk, I could try them in between clients. Let me know if any time between 6 and 10 works for you. Thank you very much.
That sounds good. What time zone are you in? Also, if you can follow the tube from that button, it should go to a motor. If you can take a picture of the motor.
I live in Minnesota Central Standard Time. Right now it is 3:23. Yes, I will take a picture of it. I can lift the petty thrown up on a paint can. Hopefully it's not too dark under there. Do you need the picture to see what the tube is doing? Or do you want to know what kind of motor it is? I can get a picture of the motor off the website if that is what you are after.
I'm 2 hours earlier, so that does work for me. A picture of the actual motor would be great, but an upload now would help. Have you proven that the motor has power? Check the circuit breaker and the GFCI outlet. I'm ready when you are.
Okay, I'm back and I can give you my full attention. I will get you the picture and check those other things you mentioned. I will keep my phone right by me in case you text me. Thank you.
Okay, check the electrical and get those pics. Does the motor plug in or is it hardwired? We can do a phone call if that's easier.
It won't send the file. Go to this website http://www.gulfstreaminc.com. On the left side is the link for the discharge system. That is what I have.
Okay, seems simple enough. Have you proven there is power?
For sure there is power.
And the air switch just clicks?
Yes.
Do you have more than one of these?
Yes, 3 of them, and it just so happens 2 of them are having this problem at the same time. However, the other one doesn't drain when I lift it at one end. So I have Drano in that one, hoping it's just clogged.
Are you at least slightly mechanically savvy? That doesn't sound right. Sorry, not what I meant.
I'm not sure, but it really doesn't look that complicated underneath. I'm going to give it a try, and if it's over my head, I'll let you know right away.
Fair enough. Give me a few minutes to type what I need with photos.
I'll give you a really nice tip because the plumber I talked to was expensive. So this would be really nice if I could figure it out. Also, I have someone here that could relay to me what to do over the phone, so it would go quicker if you wanted.
That would be great, but phone calls are more expensive. I only get 50% BTW. Do you have an outlet nearby and an extension cord?
I'm really sorry, but my sister told my dad and he just showed up. So I guess he is going to look at it. Is there a way I can get you money for your time?
I can talk with you, Dad, as well if needed. Just click the phone call link. If he doesn't need my help, then good luck and nice talking to you. I suggest your dad swap the controllers from the working unit to the non-working unit to figure out if the pump is jammed or dead. There may even be a reset button on the motors of the pump. Did your dad get it figured out for you?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.